What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Duck Bobby Jacobs. And recently Lamelo Ball has been drafted into Charlotte Hornets for overall 3rd pick in the NBA Draft 2020. And what's so unique about him is not only his outstanding basketball skills but also his hairstyle. And one of his signature hairstyle is his burst fade. So today I'm gonna show you how to give yourself nice burst fade at home by using hair clippers with adjustable lever that you can purchase at Walmart, Amazon, dhgate.com, wish.com, at Target, anywhere that you can think of, without using 0.5 guard or 0 guard or 1.5 guard, all these other crazy guards that you can think of. I'm gonna stay beginner friendly, so please stay tuned and watch my tutorial video, and let's get started. Both. Alright guys, before I'm gonna go create my initial guideline, I want to make sure all my hair has the same length and also all my hair are laid flat. So I'm gonna put my number 3 guard level all the way close, going with a grain. The reason why I'm going with a grain this time is because the burst fade, you're gonna leave the back of your hair long. So I don't want to cut it too short because I want my fade to blend into the hair where the length of the top is, so I don't want it to cut it too short. That's why I'm doing with a grain rather than against the grain. So I'm just making sure. This is just creating a good base for the haircut. Alright guys, did you finish creating a good baseline? Then take off your guard, lever all the way close, meaning the lever is placed diagonally. I'm gonna create my initial guideline, you know, just like as I'm pointing with my finger. So I'm gonna start with super low point in the front, and it goes around the ear just like a half circle and ends behind the ear. So follow me in this, and after creating the initial guideline, of course I'm gonna shave off that bottom. And if you're new to my channel, or if this is your first time watching my self-cut tutorial, then make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss out any more contents like this. You know, I'm also trying to make it beginner friendly from now on. You know, I'm gonna stop using this 0 guard, 1.5 guards and all these kind of guards, because I kept getting messages from everyone that like as soon as I mention 1.5 guards, people get confused, you know. So I'm gonna stay beginner friendly so that y'all can cut your hair like crisp. And in case you're wondering what kind of hair clippers I'm using right now, let me tell you something. I'm using KMA 1987, which I bought for 30 bucks from AliExpress, and I posted a review video on this hair clippers on my YouTube channel. So go into my channel and check out these videos as well. And it's it does its job, you know, for 30 bucks. It's very nice, it's very rich texture, it's very heavy. It's not like all cheap stuff from Chinese website. Come on man, this thing is almost as good as Wall. Like, I highly recommend it. If you don't have one, go get yourself one as well, you know, and then go cut your own hair. Alright guys, after creating your first guideline, take out your number 1 guard, level all the way open, which is like 3 millimeters. Go up and create your second guideline about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters or so, and follow your first guideline and goes around your ear. Normally, after creating my first guideline, I usually just go right into the no guard level all the way open to create my second guideline. But this time, you're working with the longer hair, longer hair base, and I want to see what I'm blending. So that's why I'm jumping right into number 1 guard level all the way open. So don't be afraid to go higher, like way higher, so that you can later blend in this large line, you know, from the initial guideline to the number 1 guard level all the way open with the no guard level all the way open. You're gonna see, just keep watching. So I'm just gonna create, you know, second guideline, but after this, just keep watching. Alright, now we're going back with no guard, level all the way open. This is a blending process, and I'm gonna erase that line right there. And you see I'm gonna use my wrist as well as corner of my blade, you know, flicking out. I'm not creating any harsh guideline or anything. I'm just using my corner to attack that, you know, dark spot, dark line, trying to blend in from the first guideline to the second guideline. And just follow my step and you will see something like this. Alright, so take out your number 3 guard, level all the way close, and I'm gonna create my third guideline around my head. So the reason why I'm creating a harsh guideline is because I want to see how much space I'm working with later for the blending, the second guideline and the third guideline. So I'm just creating my harsh guideline. Alright, after creating a harsh guideline, you know, I'm gonna blend in this guideline into the hair on the top. The only differences is I'm using the corner of my blade, number 3 guard, level all the way close, and this is super slow process. It takes a while. So be patient, you know, just keep using side of your hair clippers to take off that bulk on the top. You know, keep going back and forth, brush it down so you can see which part is bulky or not, like this. So be patient and stay tuned. Alright, so now we're gonna blend in this thick line across my head in the middle with number 2 guard, level all the way close. Once again, I'm just using my corner, you know, just soften the line. I'm not erasing the line completely because that's what I would do with number 1 guard later. So I'm just softening the line. Okay, so put your number 1 guard, level all the way open, and this is where the magic happens. So we can still see like a prominent band across my head. So I'm also using the corner of my blades once again, and I'm just flicking out, you know, attacking the line, and boom, the line is gone. The line is gone. I believe the most important thing when it comes to self-cut is the lighting. You know, lighting determines everything. The lighting determines the gradation of the hair, you know, all this tiny detail that you can spot. I recommend cutting your own hair during the day, honestly. The night light, you know, no matter how strong of a lighting you have in your room, daylight, you can't beat the sun. You can't beat the nature, guys. You know, the reason why I'm switching location for like every self-cut tutorial I make is because I'm still trying to find the best lighting, even in my room. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm cutting my hair in the kitchen, because there's a window next to the kitchen that has a really lighting during the day. So good luck finding the place. Maybe if you have a garden or something like that outdoor, that would be really good. So good luck finding the best place to give yourself a haircut, and good luck. You know, I just want to make sure all the fade is clean and nice. You know, the fade is blended into the top. So I'm back with number 2 guard. You know, I'm just walking through where I did with number 3 guard level all the way close. You know, just to make sure the bulk is gone completely. Alright, this is optional once again. This is trimming work. If you have a trimmer, that would be great. You can shape up your hairline. And my tip is to start off from the middle and goes on the sideways. So you go to the right a little bit, and you also go to the left a little bit, and it goes back and forth to make it symmetrical. And I like to make it like a square on the corner, you know, like the hairline, like a box, you know, Roblox, Minecraft, Steve, you know. So I just want to make it super clean, sharp. And take your time, guys. This is you and your hairline. Just take your time. No one is rushing you. Just take your time. Go one by one to make it super square like hairline. This is the cut. What do you guys think? I think it came out pretty clean, not gonna lie. And if you like my cut, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that more people can see and reach out to this video. And also leave a comment down below, man. Like, just talk to me, you know, like I want to engage. I'm gonna reply to almost every single comment that you make, so make sure to leave a comment down below. And also, I ordered a bunch of hair clippers from China, from wish.com and also AliExpress, and it's coming very soon. So I'm gonna do a quick review on those. So stay tuned on these. But if you subscribe to my channel, you won't miss any of these. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you very soon. Peace.